If you want to get into programming, Python is one of the best languages to pick up. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can install Python in Windows 11. Now, installing Python is as easy as downloading the official installer and just running it. Now, you'll find the link to this in the description below, but currently the latest version for Windows is Python 3.13.1. And we're just going to click on download right here. This will download an executable file, so go ahead and save it. You can see the downloader is already ready, so I'll open up Windows Explorer, and now I can just double click to run this installer. So now you will see this. You can choose to customize the installation, but I'm just going to leave this to defaults because that just does the best job possible. Make sure that you check add python.exe to path. This allows you to run Python commands from anywhere without having to add the entire link to your Python file in your command. And just enable use admin privileges when installing, just so you don't run into any permission issues. Now go ahead and click on install now. You can see the path where Python will be installed. Give it the permissions that it needs, and just wait for the setup to complete. Give it some time, so it will install test suites and anything else that you need. This can take a while, so feel free to take a walk. So as you can see, Python has been installed successfully. You have this one more option that changes your machine configurations to allow programs to bypass the 260 character limit on the max path limitation. You can let this be. It's unlikely going to come across of this, and even if you do, there are a lot of tutorials on how to do it. But if you don't want to deal with it later, you can just disable this path length here and then click close, and that's it. Python is installed now. So if I open my command prompt and I type in python -- version, you can see that I have Python 3.13.1 installed, and now you can start running Python programs and coding in Python with no issues at all. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.